Hi, I'm Verity and welcome to my YouTube channel and blog Pretty Little Button. Here I like to make paper crafting tutorials for the everyday crafter. What this means is I like to use a variety of different products, techniques and inspiration to give you your creativity. Although I use a variety of different products, you can use anything that you have in your craft stash along with my technique. So why not craft along with me? And if you want more inspiration, you can also check out my blog, prettylittlebutton.com, or check out the variety of social media platforms that I'm on, including Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. Just look for Pretty Little Button. So why not explore the channel, discover creativity and share in the love of crafting.